What's up, Radar Cars family? Today we're going to be discussing this Hubsan Zino 2 Plus drone, and instead of looking at me, you're going to be looking at the most beautiful footage that I have ever shot on a drone while I tell you all about why you should buy this drone. It's my pick for 2021 as the best drone out there for the price. We're going to start off with an overview of the features, and then we're going to get right into the footage. Let's do work. The Hubsan Zino Pro 2 Plus is a 4K 60 FPS video recording drone, shooting 12 megapixel photos at a range of up to 6 miles. And it can go fast with a top speed of 45 miles per hour. And with a high quality 3-axis gimbal, 6-level wind resistance, all the GPS features you can imagine, and a maximum flight time of 35 minutes, it is the very best sub $500 drone you can buy. You would think that this is a high-resolution photo right here, but as you can see, it's actual drone footage and it looks beautiful. Look at the white swans way down there. Look at the color of the shore with the explosion of autumn colors, captured perfectly by this drone. You can really appreciate the deep greens with the oranges and yellows of early November here in New England. The smoothness of this video is a testament to the quality of the 3-axis gimbal, holding the image steady even with the wind way above the tree line here. Now keep in mind, I shot this at 4K 30 FPS, but the drone actually had a software patch allowing up to 60 FPS, which would be even smoother than what you're seeing here. Ascending even higher, you can see miles of rolling hills, all in fine detail. This really gives you a great perspective to your position on God's beautiful earth. It is breathtaking. You can see cars driving by in high definition way down there, and look at those lush evergreen trees. Got some really nice houses here. Okay, can you find me in this footage? We are way up here and I'm not even approaching the range limits of the Hubsan. That little dot right there is me. This drone has a 10-kilometer or 6-mile range. 6 miles. That is absolutely epic. I could literally fly this into town and back without leaving my yard. Alright, we're going to descend right on top of the lake here just to give you a feel for the speed. This drone is fast, and I'm not even approaching the top speed. The Hubsan has a sport mode that unleashes 45 miles per hour, which in a drone is remarkable. And it turns on a dime. Okay, in Hudson Valley, New York here, checking out the river and gorgeous surrounding areas. Look at the definition on these homes. It's crisp, no blurriness, colors are popping. And we are way up here and the wind was blowing pretty hard that day. But thanks to that 3-axis gimbal and 6-level wind resistance, the footage is flawless. Interesting little building here with that old-fashioned clock on top. Let's go exploring. But that's the beauty of this drone with a 6-mile limit. You can literally go exploring and capture beautiful footage, rising above heights in your neighborhood, revealing things that you've never even seen or knew were there. I discovered a really cool lake nearby with an interesting peninsula of houses jutting out into the middle of the lake. I had no idea that was there until I found it with this drone. That's the fun of having a high quality drone like this with a 4K camera. And as I said, it turns on a dime. You can turn slowly, you can turn fast, and everything in between. What a beautiful landscape here in Hudson Valley, New York. This is my favorite motorcycle dealer and service center of all time. If you're in the area, go check out Hudson Valley Motorcycles. You will not be disappointed. Here are some photo examples for your viewing pleasure. All high resolution in 4608 by 2592 pixels. They look great. Alright guys, I can't put it any better than I just showed you. This thing is jam-packed with all the features. It shoots the most beautiful 4K video I've ever seen. Doing this online may not do it justice, but trust me, I have $800 cameras that don't shoot as well as this drone does. I have this on my Amazon storefront, link in the description below. If you do purchase something on my Amazon storefront, it does help out the channel, and I very much appreciate that. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you found this useful, please hit the thumbs up. And until next time, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary.